Hi there viewers and welcome to Breaking Down Nigerian Pidgin English, BDNP. One interesting thing about Nigerian Pidgin English is that a word can be written in different forms the way it is pronounced, like our word of the week, Jonz, Jonz, Jonze. Like the way it is multiply written, it also has quite a number of meanings in Nigerian Pidgin English. Let's check them out. Number 1, to become blank and out of ideas. For example, Omo Uche go dey Jonz for that interview because he no prepare at all. Number 2, to behave immaturely. For example, why you dey Jonz like small pikin? Number 3, drunk or high. See your eyes like person wey don Jonz. Number 4, the act of foolery. For example, why you dey Jonz? Oh boy, you be Jonz man. Number 5, to be unserious. Guy, you dey Jonz so. Number 6, the act of tripping or someone who is in a dreamland far away from his thoughts. For example, I dey talk to you, you just dey Jonz. Number 7, the act of being completely broke. These guys wey hammer before don dey Jonz so. Number 8, to act stupidly. I no blame you. You just dey Jonz. Number 9, to be mad and confused. For example, wetin dey worry you? You dey Jonz? Number 10, to be left hanging or stood up for an appointment. For example, the girl Jonz me. I just dey here dey Jonz. That's a wrap for today. See you on yet another edition on Word and Expression of the Week on BDNP. I'm Bafo. Peace is in. Bye.